Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. I'll be flying to Southeast Asia today to try what's arguably the most popular dish in Indonesia, Malaysia, Brunei and Singapore, Nasi Goreng. There are literally hundreds of different versions of this dish, based on ingredients, region, and sometimes even styles invented by famous restaurants, but Nasi Goreng is actually also a very popular street food. What I will be making today is Nasi Goreng Ayam, which can be translated as chicken fried rice. So let's give it a go. First of all, of course, the rice. Leftover rice is perfect for stir frying, but otherwise, you can boil or steam some rice and allow some time to let it cool down. The method that works best for me is to first rinse the rice 2 or 3 times until the water runs clear. This is 180 grams of jasmine rice. Then I cover it with an inch of water and I let it simmer for 10 minutes with the lid on. At this point, I turn off the heat and I leave the lid on for 5 minutes. Then I transfer it to a dish and I fluff it up with a spoon to let the excess heat away and to let it cool down. And now, let's prepare the other ingredients. I will start by mincing a garlic clove. I will also chop a few shallots, a spring onion, and a couple of fresh chillies. Then I will slice a bit of cucumber, a tomato, and I'll cut a lime into wedges. All of these are to be served on the side. Lastly, I'll dice off a chicken breast. Now that all the ingredients are ready, I can reheat the wok, throw in some vegetable oil, and fry the chicken breast in it. Once it's browned all around, I will take it out. Time to throw in the shallots. I'll fry them a bit, and then I will add garlic and chili. Now I will add an egg, and I will simply scramble it. I will also add a tablespoon of tomato paste and a teaspoon of shrimp paste. If you got nowhere to buy it, or if you find it too pungent, you can replace it with a tablespoon of fish sauce. And now, I'll add the chicken back in. Then the spring onions. And of course, the rice. It's important to keep stirring and to coat the rice nicely in the oil and with the other ingredients, but it's a very quick process at this point. It's time to add 2 tablespoons of sweet soy sauce. If you're wondering what it is, this sauce is also known as kecap manis, and it's made from palm sugar and soy sauce. So if you can't find it, you can try replacing it with 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce and 1 of brown sugar. I'm also going to add half a teaspoon of salt. And it's done. I'm going to fry a couple of eggs now. And I'm finally ready to assemble the dish. Sliced cucumber and tomato. Then some prawn crackers, and the lime wedges. They're all typical accompaniments to this dish, but you can also add other types of fresh vegetables. Then the rice, and the fried eggs on top. I must say, as much as I love special fried rice, or Yangzhou fried rice, which I made in another video, this one definitely wins. It's like fried rice on steroids. With the additional spicy and sweet layers of flavor, it's a more complex dish and still perfectly balanced. It's easy to understand why it's so popular, and I can't wait to try other versions. What about you? Have you ever tried Nasi Goreng? Will you try to make it? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. So, where are we going next?